step into the Jeep 2019 Renegade Latitude. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are quick order package 2XB included, engine 2.4 Li40 evap MAIR transmission, 9-speed 940 automatic, black premium cloth bucket seats, tires, 215/60 R17 BSWS Touring, STD, transmission, 9-speed 940 automatic, STD, wheels, 17 inches x 7.0 aluminum, STD, granite crystal metallic clear coat, engine, 2.4 Li40 evap MAIR, STD, front wheel drive and power steering. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment to our dealership.